In this video, I show you how to fix 1.1.1. VPN. Your device could not establish a connection. Contact your administrator for assistance problem. For fixing this, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now click on 1.1.1. Click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear cache, then clear storage, then delete. Go back. Now click on search settings, search VPN, click on VPN. Now click on settings icon. Now click on forward VPN, forward. Now open 1.1.VPN app. Click on next, click on accept, install VPN profile, click on OK, allow. Now click on connect. Now I hope that this method fixed the problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.